Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Now my peeps, I'm gonna make a spinach, mango, banana, green smoothie with some sea moss, alright? But this time guys, I do my spinach basically, sometimes I just leave them in the fridge, but when they're on sale, what I'm doing now, what I did, I put them in my food processor and they look like that, and then I put them in a tray. You can put them in an ice cube tray, so you just need one of this. All right, they're gonna look like that. You put one down in there, and so I made them like that. Okay, also guys, I also just wash them and freeze them in the bag as is. All right, so it's up to you. So we're gonna make, and when you make it like this, it's so creamy and smooth. I'm gonna go in with 1 finger of banana. I'm gonna make a lot, okay? If you're making a little bit, use half finger. Half an apple. So this smoothie gonna clean and build your immune system. It's good for weight loss, it's good for detox. You know, it's just gonna build up your immune system more. Vitamin A, vitamin C, and all of that. Sea moss. This one is my turmeric sea moss. I will leave a link. It has antioxidants. It's a superfood, all right? So we can go in with a tablespoon, something like that. And I'm gonna put a little bit of mangoes. I have fresh mango guys, but I want those to eat. Just put a little bit of frozen mango. It's about like 6 pieces, 5 pieces. Yeah, not too much. I got this almond milk from Costco. Well, somebody gave me. And I shake it well, and I'm gonna pour some in. About a cup and a half. And you can put some ginger in it if you want. All right guys, so we're just gonna blend this away, and it's gonna come out so creamy and smooth, so you don't need no sugar for this one. All right guys, so we just put it on and just blend away. Look at that goodness guys. Ooh. You see how creamy? Ooh, so thick and nice. See how nice and thick? Oh my goodness. All right, let's pour some in. And I still have more. All right guys, it's 2 servings. You can make it 3 if you want. All right my peeps, and this is it. Oh my goodness, it's so thick and creamy and nice. All right. I won't hold you long guys, so tell me how you like it. Try it, tell me how you like it. Full of flavor. It's not too sweet, not too fresh. It's good for your immune system, gonna clean and build you. All right, good for weight loss, detox, cleansing smoothie as well. Whatever you want it for guys, this is a complete green superfood smoothie. All right guys, I'll come back with more recipe for you, show you how thick it is. It's really rich and smooth, creamy. All right. Oh, amazing. And that apple give it that, you know, that little kick. Oh, so good. Up close, can you see how good it is guys? I'm telling you, I have more recipe for you. Oh my goodness. Ah, one of the best I ever made. Or I ever made. It's good. So good. Alright guys, you have a good day. Me say sitting. Turn up. Hey guys.